Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the Binance Authenticator app. First, you will need to log into your Binance account, either through the website on a computer or using the mobile application. Once logged in, find your profile icon and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Security to access your account's security settings. Within this section, you will find the option labeled Authenticator app, which is used for two-factor authentication. Next, download the Binance Authenticator application onto your mobile device from its respective app store. Back on your Binance account, within the security settings, click the Enable button next to the Authenticator app option. Binance will then display a unique 16-digit key and a QR code on your screen. It is crucial to copy this 16-digit key and store it in a very safe, secure place, as it is essential for account recovery if you ever lose your device. Now, open the Binance Authenticator app on your phone. You will need to add a new account. Look for an option like a plus sign or Add Account. You can either manually enter the 16-digit key that Binance provided, or you can use your phone's camera to scan the QR code displayed on your Binance screen. You may also be prompted to give this account a recognizable name, such as Binance, to easily identify it later. After successfully adding the account, your Authenticator app will immediately begin generating a new 6-digit code every 30 seconds. Quickly return to your Binance account and enter this current 6-digit code into the designated field. You might also need to complete additional security verifications, such as entering a code sent to your email or phone number. Finally, submit these codes to finalize the setup. Your Binance Authenticator is now active, adding a vital layer of security to your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.